Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change Shopify store location. Let's get started. In order to do that, we just need to head over and click on the settings right here on our left sidebar. And in here, it will open the settings. In here, you should be able to see this business address under the billing information. But you don't need to click that because we don't need that as this will not change the location. What we can do is we can click on this location right here, and in here, you should be able to see your shop location. So you can click on the shop location right here, and then you can change your shop location by clicking on the drop down right here. So for example, let's just use a location for United States. After you have done that, you can select a state that you want. So for example, let's choose a state for New York right here, and then click on the save button. In here, you just need to save this, and you just need to fill up the address before you save. Now, once you're done, click on the save button and it will save your store location. So in here, once you head over and head back to your store location, as you can see, the store location that we have right now has been changed to New York instead of Philippines. So you're ready to go and operate your business. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.